model, 2016 Renault TRAFIC short wheelbase, diesel SL27dCi 115 sport van body, grey, panel van mileage, 111965 engine, 1598 CCR9M 115E5A transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs fine but is underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Will make a nice clean Renault TRAFIC when the turbo is replaced. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is average. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £7,875.